Welcome to our monthly rendezvous where we dish out all the latest and the greatest news for developers from Zoho. I'm Divya from Zoho Community and I'm super stoked to geek out with you through the developer updates from February. Let's begin with the highlights. We are celebrating a major milestone on Zoho extensions. We are talking over 2000 extensions and counting, spanning more than 40 categories on the Zoho marketplace. These aren't just numbers, they are real-life solutions being used by over 800,000 users worldwide. If Zoho extensions sound Greek and Latin to you, we've got you covered with our Extensions 101 series where we focus on developing extensions using Sigma, the extension development platform. Building extensions and listing them on Zoho Marketplace is a great way for developers to monetize their skills. We discuss more about this on our 101 series and the ongoing bootcamps. Speaking of bootcamps, I had already talked about this in the last video. We had our first ever in-person developer bootcamp on extensions in our Chennai campus, and it was nothing short of amazing. We are now expanding these bootcamps across India next month, and the updates of which will be shared in the next digest. Folks from other parts of the world, don't worry, we'll be bringing these experiences to you soon, so stay tuned. Moving on to the upcoming events. Zoho Developer Hangout is a community-driven series where developers from the community come forward to share their expertise with the community. It offers valuable insights, interactive learning, tips and tricks, and peer-driven solutions to common coding challenges. In our recently concluded 14th episode, we had Eric Krovac, CRM engineer from Vaspian, go all out on APIs. He discussed API documentation, limitations, using API in Deluge, along with a live demonstration of a Ruby application. We will soon be releasing the recording here. Next up, we've got the Zoho Q Engine 101 series. Zoho Q Engine is our newly released test automation tool. Through this series, we aim to bring you an end-to-end understanding of the product and how it improves the speed and efficiency of the testing lifecycle. The registration links for all the upcoming events are given in the digest, and the link to the digest is given in the description below. Here's the next one. As part of our Zoho CRM developer series, we bring you Zoho CRM API starting March 27th. Register now to reserve your spot and learn how to automate workflows, easily integrate with other applications, and customize your CRM solution to fit your operational needs. Also, don't forget to register for an exciting lineup of events featuring Creator and Catalyst, like the Creator Tech Connect series, Application Development Bootcamp, Learning Table series, and Zoho CRM event listeners and Catalyst. The registration links are all given in the digest. Alright, moving on. Now let's talk convenience. Ever found yourself lost in a sea of resources, desperately trying to search for that one nugget of wisdom? We've got you covered there. We've consolidated all the good stuff from our learning series and packed it in our developer community website. You'll never lose track of the community learning resources. Go ahead and bookmark it. Now we've also got developer-centric updates compiled in our digest. Let's first go over an update from Zoho Finance apps. Until now, both the finance apps and their APIs shared a common domain. We've recently introduced separate domains for APIs. You can start using the new domains for API calls as the old domains will not work for API users starting April 1, 2024. You can find the new domain names in this forum post. Next, we've got Q1 2024 update from Zoho CRM. This blog is all about powerful features, interesting enhancements, and new updates from Zoho CRM. We've also got exciting updates from Zoho Desk, Zoho Books, and Catalyst. The links for all these blogs are found under Resource Spotlight in the digest. Community. A forum is where we have insightful discussions. Here's an example of how the community comes forward to help a fellow developer with their daily struggles by sharing code snippets. More such interesting and useful discussions can be found on the digest for your perusal. February was a special month in our developers ZUG Click channel. We had the longest discussion with the highest community involvement with great code exchanges. These conversations are confined to the Click channel and can be accessed only if you're a part of it. So if you haven't joined the party yet, fill out the form on our website and we'd happily send you an invite. And for the final segment, let's spotlight some of our incredible community contributors. With 14 episodes in, we feature one ZDH presenter each month. It's Jayesh from Inquit Solutions this month. He presented the 8th episode where he shared some pretty cool widgets that he created with his team using JavaScript in Zoho Creator. Head over to this forum post to learn about him and what he had shared with the community. Here are the top contributors on the Developers at UG Click channel. A big shout out to Tasha Willows Staples, Senior Developer at RHI Digital and Creatives, Eric Kroback, CRM Engineer at Baspian, Edward Rockford, Managing Director at Ascent Business Solutions, and Puneet Chandok, CEO at digismiths.com. They have truly gone above and beyond, sharing their expertise and making a significant impact. We really appreciate and thank you all for your contributions and support. Once again, the link for the digest is in the description below, where you can find links to all the resources mentioned today. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's video. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep pushing those boundaries.